And at this point, it's still a bit unclear whether we'd want to use date or date time. So let's go ahead and try printing help of date time. And let's go ahead and run this again. All right, and so we got help on module date time and a link to the documentation. And I'm going to hit enter because it says more here, so that lets me move down. And it mentions we've got date, date time, and for the date, it looks like this is what allows us to generate a date. We just want the current date. So let's keep scrolling down. And there's all these